Our first program is write a program to print the series of first 10 natural number using for loop in reverse order. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file and type the program code here. For I in range 10 0 minus 1 colon print I. Here 10 is our starting value, 0 is stop value and minus 1 is the step value. Now save your program. Now click at option run and choose option run module. See, the series of first 10 natural number in reverse order is printed in your screen. If you want to print the output in horizontal order, use and equal to single quote in print statement. See, the series of first 10 natural number in reverse order is printed horizontally in computer screen. Our second program is write a program in Python to input your name and age and print name as many times as your age. Open Python software. Click at option file, choose option new file and type the program code here. In range plus 1 print name. Now click on option file, choose option save as, save your file. Now click on option run and choose option run module. The program is asking to enter your name. We have entered Vivek. Enter age, we have entered 10. So 10 times Vivek will be printed in the computer screen. Now our third program is write a program to input a number and print the factors of that number. We have to print the factors of number we entered. Open Python software. A equal to int input, enter any number. In this question we have to print all the factors of input number. Colon print I. Now click on option file, choose option save as, save your program code, click on option run and choose option run module. Program is asking to enter a number, we have entered 10. So the factors of number 10 will be printed on the computer screen vertically. If we want the output in horizontal order, we have to use and equal to single quote in print statement. Now click on option run module. Again, program is asking to enter a number, we have entered 100. So the factors of 100 is printed in the computer screen. Thank you. Have a nice day.